up Rated R Cars family? Is Jack Frost nipping at your toes, or perhaps gnawing off your entire foot? Then it may be time to get caught up with some of those mods that you've had on the back burner, fire up your garage heater, and start to get to work. If you are feeling the gloom of looking at Winter Wonderland out your window, then I have a mod today that just might brighten your day. These are super bright aftermarket LED puddle lamps that work for your 2015 to 2017 Mustang, but they also work for other Ford vehicles such as the 2007 to 2018 Expedition, the one with power mirrors, the 2011 to 2017 Ford Explorer, and a bunch of other Ford vehicles that I am listing in the description below. These extremely bright puddle lamps have LED Cree chips built into them, and they are 10 times brighter than OEM. Guys, 10 times brighter. All for less than 15 bucks. I got them on Amazon. These are from a company called Aioli Motor, and I'm going to put the purchase link below. Easy to install. They're just plug and play. They've got two wires there. You just hook up to your positive and negatives. They plug right into the OEMs, so you can just pull out your OEMs and put these one in. You don't have to worry about anything else. No drilling, no rewiring, no soldering, no wire cutting. Just plug and play the way I like it. These bad boys weigh 1.76 ounces. In terms of product dimensions, they are 1.6 by 1.1 by 1.6 inches. They are side mirror puddle lights. The bulb type is LED. The ones I have are the bright white color, but they also have red if that's your thing. These have built-in canvas controls, so they're not going to throw any codes in your car. The voltage is 12 volts. They take up 2 watts of power. These little guys come with a 1-year warranty and a lifetime of support. Unfortunately, for those of us who are GT350 owners, these aren't going to easily fit without major modifications. So I'm doing this for the rest of the subscribers who are Mustang owners or Expedition owners or what have you. And I need to check on the fitment for the 2018 Plus Mustang GTs. Guys, take a look at this and please let me know if it'll fit your car as well. And since these don't fit my GT350, I'm going to be using my car jump starter to power these up. There's no better way to do this than on my motorcycle seat. Oh, that is super bright, I gotta tell you. Super bright. Let's turn off the lights and see how it looks. It's so dark in here I can't even see the wires. That is bright. Pretty much see everything there. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a very high quality, low cost, very bright solution. You can install these yourself in just a few minutes. These are by Aioli Motor, link in the description below. Highly recommended. I'm giving them 5 stars.